Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. In the previous session, we have seen the introduction of Docker and the history before containerization and how to use containers and what is Docker file, what is Docker Compose and Docker Swarm. In this session, I'm going to cover the installation part. I'm going to install Docker and Docker Compose on RHEL machine, and I'll make other videos for Amazon Linux and Ubuntu as well. Let us get started with Amazon Linux or RHEL or Ubuntu, anything is fine. Let me start with RHEL 8. Services, go to EC2, go to running instances, launch instance. You can take RHEL 8. For now, T2.micro is fine. Going forward, if you are doing with Jenkins Docker integration, you may need to take T2.xflag. But for now, T2.micro is fine. Review and launch. This is the key pair. Let me name it as something. Docker and Docker Compose on RHEL. You can keep any name doesn't matter. I just kept it for my reference purpose. Grab the IPv4 IP address, go to MobiXterm. Click on session, SSH, remote host, specify username, EC2-user, advanced SSH settings, use private key, browse for the key pair which you have created. This is my key pair. Okay, this is the IP. Session, SSH, remote host, specify username, EC2-user, advanced SSH, use private key. This is the key pair. Now switch to root user, sudo-i. And now let us execute commands one by one. First, you need to use mconfig manager command and you need to add the repo for Docker. This is the repo. I have added the repo as well. Once you have added the repo, if you want, you can check the repo list using ym repo list. If you see Docker community edition stable repository is there. And then you can use dnf command to install Docker community edition. This is the command. This is installed. Once this is installed, you can enable and start Docker. Okay, this is done. Now you can enable and start Docker. We will see whether Docker is running or not. Service Docker status. Docker is running perfectly. And if you want, you can run sample hello world image as well. Docker run hello world. It's done. This is also working fine. If you want to see, you can see Docker images. Docker PS, nothing is that. Now Docker installation is perfect. Now install Docker Compose. Let me copy this command, curl command. What does it says is, it will go to this particular URL, it will download uname. Copy this. You can execute all at once, or you can go step by step as well. I am downloading it to user local bin. This is done. If you want, you can verify. This is there. This is downloaded. Now it doesn't have execute permission. For that, give execute permission. Execute permission is also done. Now you can verify the execute permission. X is also there. Now it is in user local bin, but if you want to use across everything, create a soft link for user bin. This is like a shortcut file. Instead of referring to user local bin every time, we will refer to user bin Docker Compose. Now check the Docker Compose version. Now Docker Compose version is also running perfectly. Now we have installed Docker and Docker Compose. In the next videos, we will see how to run Docker containers for Node.js applications, Python and Java based applications. Thanks everyone for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.